Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about standing electronic desks, specifically the one made by Flexispot. Now they sent me one for review to share with you guys my experience, and the short answer that I want to give you guys is that sitting down in front of a computer for an extended amount of time is never a good thing. So anything that enables us to stand up, change our posture, moving, burn more calories will always be a great thing for us. So right now, I'm still using my same desk that you guys have probably seen in my videos for the last 8 years, and I'm finally upgrading that one to the Flexispot one. Let's check it out. The guys over at Flexispot sent me this desk, and it does come in two different boxes. There's the big box that basically is the top of the desk, and there's different colors you can pick from. They sent me the black one. And then of course there's the actual base piece that you need to set up for the legs, and that has to be assembled first. As far as assembly, this desk itself took me approximately 20 to 25 minutes to finish up the assembly. Not that bad. And once you have it fully assembled, you're pretty much going to be able to go from 27.9 inches, which is the lowest height that it starts at, all the way up to 47.6 inches as far as the tallest height. And you can configure that using the motor and the 3 memory buttons that we have on there. As you can see, pretty much overall, the setup was very simple. Everything else is really easy to do, and everything you need is in the box with the exception of a screwdriver. Once you have it assembled, it's pretty simple to use. You have a little jog dial on the right side of the table, and it's pretty simple to configure. All you have is basically 3 memory points, or you can adjust the desk up and down using the up and down arrows. And of course, it tells you the level basically from the ground all the way to the highest level right on that little display. And of course, it does have really good weight, so I was able to, my son was sitting on there, just kind of showing you guys an example. But overall, I think it really works very well. For my setup, the way I would love to be able to use this as, obviously I'm showing you guys right there, is I have my monitor, my laptop sitting in there. It's basically very minimalistic. It's a little bit deeper than my existing desk, and that was one of the main things I really appreciated here. I have more space to be able to put things on the desk, but also more space to work with it. When I did set it up in my office, it was pretty easy to kind of get it configured. The main thing you want to do is make sure that you give enough slack on all the wires that are sitting behind your desk. Or if you have a really good wire management, which unfortunately I don't, and I need to work on that. All you have to do basically is make sure you have enough slack and then set the memory into, well, set it into memory what you'd like to keep as far as the adjustment points. So you don't have to worry about it. And for me, 1 and 2 pretty much work the best. So it's been about a couple of weeks that I've had this desk in my office. I've already integrated it here, and I've of course upgraded my old desk. Now, as I showed you guys in the beginning, this definitely is a little bit longer than what I've had before. Overall, as far as the material, feels really good. It is prone to fingerprints, just be aware of that, so you will leave fingerprints here and there. But cleaning it's very simple, as well as dust on it is very easy to see, as because it's black, it's very simple to see, so you could clean it off right away. It did held up pretty good. I have all my hardware on it, and I reconfigured my desk here in the office, and it works great. And of course, I configured my options here to be basically go with level 1 and level 2, basically sit and stand. And I've configured all my wires in the back to have a little bit of slack for that. I want to say thank you very much to Flexispot for not only providing me the hardware, but giving me the opportunity to share with you guys my experience of using this. I've done the sit and stand desk adjusted option that I've done here last year, and I'll give you guys a link to that in the description below in case you're looking to have a sit and stand experience, but not necessarily have an entire desk that does it. Although, if you want to get a new desk, this is definitely one of the better ones on the market, and definitely priced very, very well. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.